In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft To Do with Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to seamlessly integrate your daily schedule with your task list and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. So, let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is open up your web browser and search for Zapier. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services, making it perfect for linking Google Calendar with Microsoft To Do. Once you've found Zapier in your search results, head over to their website. If you don't already have an account, it's a good idea to create one now. If you do have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating some really helpful integrations, known as Zaps, in the Zapier ecosystem. Next, your task is to create a new Zap. This is where the magic will begin, as we'll be setting up the rules for how Google Calendar and Microsoft To Do will interact with each other. Once you've started a new Zap, you'll need to specify that Google Calendar is the trigger app. A trigger app is what initiates the Zap. Think of it as the if in an if this then that scenario. Once you've selected Google Calendar, identify a specific event you want as the trigger. For today's purposes, we'll set it to New Event, meaning anytime a new event is added to your calendar, it will kick off the next series of actions. Now it's time to connect your Google Calendar to Zapier. To do this, you'll follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Zapier to access your calendar. Once connected, you can choose which calendar you'd like Zapier to pull events from if you have more than one. On to the fun part, choosing the action. You'll select Microsoft To Do as the action app. In this setup, Microsoft To Do will respond to the trigger from Google Calendar. You'll need to specify what action you want to take place in Microsoft To Do. For our example, we'll use Create Task, which will automatically generate a new task in your to-do list whenever a new event is added to your calendar. Now it's time to connect your Microsoft To Do account to Zapier. Just like with Google Calendar, you'll follow the prompts to give Zapier access to your Microsoft To Do account. The next step involves mapping the information between these two apps. You'll want to identify which information from your Google Calendar event should be included in your new Microsoft To Do task. Common fields to map might include the event's title, any notes, and the due date. This allows for a full transfer of information that helps keep you organized. Finally, you'll want to test the connection to make sure everything is set up properly. Zapier will walk you through sending a test event to Microsoft To Do to ensure it works as expected. If everything looks good, go ahead and activate your automation. Now you'll have an efficient and reliable connection between your Google Calendar and Microsoft To Do, keeping your life neatly in order.